Welcome back, Acadiana. We are starting off with the tropical outlook, and if we can make the screen full, this is a highlighted area in the Gulf that does push over the Florida Peninsula as well as into the Atlantic. And what we know right now is a broad area of low pressure could form within the next 7 days, and also system is likely to push off towards Florida or across Florida, and also heavy rainfall is expected for the southeast coast as well as Florida coming up. And right now we can check that out on the Weather Prediction Center with those rainfall accumulations, mostly for the Gulf Coast there, but check out Florida, between 3 to 5 inches of rainfall. And for us, about 1 to 2 between Sunday and next Sunday coming up. So it won't be heavy rainfall that'll be pushing through. This will be over a couple of days where we'll see that rainfall between 1 to 2 inches, and that's even mostly for southeast Louisiana. So as we transition to the current radar, most of the rainfall is impacting parts of Allen and Evangeline parishes. Even just a few scattered showers that were just in Acadia has since diminished. But as far as the rest of Acadiana goes, staying pretty dry for this evening, but we still can't rule out a few scattered showers passing through. And for today, most of the rainfall was targeted in Allen Parish for today, between at least 1.5 to almost 2.5 inches of rainfall there. Even parts of Iberia and St. Mary parishes had some rainfall that pushed through. But as you can tell, a large portion of Acadiana did not get any rainfall, so we'll still stick with isolated to scatter activity during the afternoon for the next couple of days. But with a upper level ridge building in for the start of next week, we'll see those rain chances a little bit lower, especially for Tuesday and Wednesday. Now as we get into the end of next week, that's where we'll start to see those rain chances return, especially for Thursday and Friday. Those rain chances right now are near about 60%. So as we time it out for the rest of this evening, staying pretty dry across the board. Still can't rule out a few isolated showers, but the cloud coverage that will stick with us majority of tonight into Saturday, Sunday. And then as we get into Sunday morning into the afternoon, may have a few scattered showers around daybreak. And then for Sunday, the main rainfall that'll push in right there. But other than that, still isolated to scatter in nature, not expecting that to be widespread across Acadiana for Sunday afternoon. After that, as we get closer to the evening hours, we'll see dry conditions return. So if you have any outdoor plans coming up late Sunday evening, pretty nice for that. May have a few lingering showers, but we'll see most of that rainfall out of here before nightfall on Sunday. And then we do it all again Monday morning, starting off pretty dry with a few coastal showers that are possible. But overall tonight, just a few isolated showers possible this evening. Other than that, very dry for Saturday night into Sunday. It still will be warm, it still will be muggy again in the 70s coming up. But those wind speeds, that will be a little bit low coming out of the south, between 3 to 10 miles per hour. And then for tomorrow, may have a few showers around daybreak, but it'll be another hot and humid summer day ahead for tomorrow, with temperatures topping out in the low 90s and the feels like temperatures closer to the triple digits. Now, heat exceeds about 3:30 p.m. across the board in the triple digits in northern Louisiana. But for us in Acadiana, we can get a few areas in the triple digits coming up tomorrow, especially we have more sunshine that'll pop up. But overall, heat indices mostly in the upper 90s here for Sunday. So let's break down that 10-day forecast. We have higher or slightly higher rain chances Sunday and Monday, but Tuesday and Wednesday are best days for lower rain chances, between 20 to 30%. After that, we got higher rain chances, and that may be possible due to that weak low that may form in the Gulf here by the end of next week and the start of next weekend. So that's where we'll have our greatest chance of rain arriving on Friday, but those temperatures still hot in the low 90s and possibly some upper 80s out there. Stay tuned, we'll have one final look at that 10-day forecast later in the show.